Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Demogorgon Stranger Things costume available for kids. The Disguise Tweens Demogorgon Costume, an officially licensed piece that perfectly captures the eerie essence of the terrifying creature from the hit Netflix series Stranger Things. Right out of the box, this costume impresses with its attention to detail and design accuracy. The costume is a full jumpsuit made of 100% polyester, designed to be comfortable yet durable enough for hours of wear. It features a soft fabric construction with an easy open and close inseam, making it practical for kids to wear and move around freely during Halloween or any cosplay event. What really makes this costume stand out is the included character headpiece, which replicates the Demogorgon's unique and terrifying face with a realistic, spooky look. The headpiece fits snugly and adds an authentic touch to the overall appearance, making your child look just like the creature from the Upside Down. This costume is specifically made for tweens, with sizes ranging from medium, large, to extra large, ensuring a great fit for a variety of kids in that age range. The jumpsuit also includes attached detailing that stays true to the Demogorgon's design from the show, which really elevates the cosplay experience. The material is lightweight enough to be comfortable but sturdy enough to maintain its shape and detail. Care is straightforward as well. The costume should be hand-washed only to keep its fabric and colors looking fresh for many spooky seasons to come. This makes it easy to maintain without worrying about damage from harsh cleaning methods. Disguise, the manufacturer, is a well-known leader in the costume industry, and their expertise shines through with this product. The costume is made with kids' safety in mind, using non-toxic materials and a design that allows for good ventilation and comfort. It's also officially licensed by Netflix, which guarantees an authentic look and quality that fans of Stranger Things will appreciate. The packaging is compact and light, making it easy to ship and store. The costume weighs just over 10 ounces and comes in a box measuring roughly 14 by 11 inches, which is perfect for gifting or storing when not in use. If you're looking for a costume that delivers both on authenticity and comfort, the Disguise Tweens Demogorgon Costume is a fantastic choice. It captures the essence of the Demogorgon without sacrificing wearability, so kids can enjoy Halloween, themed parties, or conventions without feeling restricted. That wraps up our detailed look at the best Demogorgon Stranger Things costume. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want more honest product insights, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.